Long before Texas's law banning abortion after 6 weeks went into effect, reproductive rights advocates saw looming legal threats to pregnant people, especially those who choose to end their pregnancies without the help of a medical professional. People who opt to self-manage an abortion, most commonly with FDA-approved pills, may face criminal charges in the U.S. These kinds of cases are very rare, but with increasing national hostility toward abortion rights, especially after the Supreme Court permitted Texas to implement its 6-week abortion ban, advocates are ready for legal risks to escalate. It changes the culture of who is seen as suspicious. One reproductive rights attorney, Rafa Kidvai, said of laws like the one in Texas. Kidvai said the Texas ban, and copycat laws that may crop up elsewhere, foreshadow a future in which more restrictive state regulations shutter in-person clinics, forcing pregnant people to self-manage using pills and leaving them vulnerable to prosecution.
And many people already seek self-managed options before going to a formal provider. According to a recent study, 7% of people in Texas who sought formal abortion care first tried to end their pregnancy on their own. Liza Fuentes, senior research scientist at the Guttmacher Institute, told BuzzFeed News. Fuentes said the state's restrictions have created an impossible context where resources to access abortion safely aren't there, and Texas is already advancing a law that would nearly ban abortion pills. The law prevents anyone who is more than 7 weeks pregnant from getting abortion pills from medical providers or physicians. Advocates like Kidvai have long been preparing for this tenuous moment, with new mechanisms to combat ever-increasing legal constraints on people's right to choose. One such tool is the Repro Legal Defense Fund, started in June by How, a nonprofit dedicated to reproductive justice. I think people in the reproductive movement thought that while are not hideout, everything is pointing to that this could happen, and we want to stop this in its tracks, Kidvai said. We don't want it to be hundreds of prosecutions before we're ready.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe